Welcome to this brief tutorial on getting registered into MMCC's new OneStop portal. Once registered, you will be able to access and manage all of your documents in a central location. The OneStop portal is scheduled to go live at 7 a.m. this Tuesday, February 16th, 2021. At that time, you will receive a notification to register. This notification will be sent to the email address currently on file with MMCC. The first step in the registration process is accessing the OneStop portal. I've highlighted a hyperlink to that portal if you'd like to get registered while watching this tutorial. Once on the portal, complete the required fields and click Register. If you're an existing MMCC patient, please use the email currently on file during the registration process. A verification email will be immediately generated. Once you have verified your email, registration is complete. You will know you're registered when you are able to view your name in the top right corner of the screen, as I've indicated here. To view pending or existing MMCC registrations, click My Dashboard, and all of your registration information will be available to you. For those not currently registered with MMCC, you will need to add a new registration. To do that, click Licenses and Permits. That tab is right next to the My Dashboard tab. Then type in the type of registration that applies. Here, I've typed in Adult Registration and click the search function in blue. My next step is clicking on Adult Patient Registration, and the OneStop process will take me through the entire registration. Here are some resources available to help you navigate the new OneStop portal. Thank you for watching this tutorial.